Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Accord passenger side mirror. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10 mm socket wrench. You'll also need your new mirror assembly. Park your car on a flat, safe surface and turn off the engine. This ensures your safety and provides a stable workspace. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother and quicker. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by gently prying off the small interior trim piece covering the mirror's base on the inside of the door. A flathead screwdriver can help here. Once exposed, you'll see three 10 mm bolts. Use your socket wrench to carefully unscrew these. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it apart. The old mirror should now be free. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. First, connect the new mirror's electrical harness to the vehicle's wiring until you hear a click. Then, carefully align the new mirror assembly with the mounting holes on the door. Insert and tighten the three 10 mm bolts to secure it firmly. Finally, snap the interior door panel trim piece back into place, ensuring it's flush. After installation, turn on your car and test the new mirror. Check that the power adjustments work correctly and, if applicable, that the heating function engages. Make sure the mirror is securely mounted and doesn't wobble. This ensures proper visibility and safety. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. You've successfully replaced your passenger side mirror.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.